Oh, hiccups, those little spasms that can turn a silent library into a comedy club. Ever wonder why we get them? Well, it's because our diaphragm, that muscle-playing bouncer between our chest and abdomen, decides to throw an uninvited party. This muscle starts to contract involuntarily, like a disco dancer with no rhythm. And what's our body's response? A swift closing of the vocal cords that results in the infamous hic sound. But here's the punchline. Despite the brainpower of our scientific community, no one knows why hiccups exist. It's like a cosmic joke without the punchline. We can send people to space, but hiccups? They remain our unsolved mystery. So next time you're hiccuping away, remember you're not just making noise, you're partaking in a scientific enigma.